As you can see, it looks really nice. The installation was a quite simple process as a regular electric fan with light you would do. As you can see, it has these beautiful wood blades. You can install it like us, 14 inches from the ceiling, or use the provided longest down rod up to 19 inches from the ceiling, and you can control everything with a convenient remote. Up to 6 fan speeds, turning on and off the light, changing the light temperature, brighter or warmer, and even setting automatic stopping times, 1 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours of continuous function, and then turning off automatically. Okay, you could even turn off the beeping sound of the buttons from the remote. Okay, so well, it is a really nice fan. It has a convenient lighting option. You can use it either only with the light or only with the fan options, or both, as we do right now. And you can install it indoors and outdoors. It's great everywhere, for your home, for your office, as we are doing here, for a restaurant, for any space where you need nice lighting and nice nice ventilation. So this is a great option. Thank you.